Hi, I'm Alice Boxall, a software engineer on the Google Chrome accessibility team.
And I'm Rob Dodson, a developer advocate for Chrome. We're here to help you understand how you can make your websites accessible and usable for everyone. We're also going to be working with our friend Mike from Udacity.
I'm Mike Wales, a program manager here at Udacity. I'll be helping you through exercises so you can make sure your applications are accessible to everyone.
Accessibility is a pain to spell, so we often shorten it to A11Y. But it doesn't have to be a pain to work on. We'll show you how you can get some easy wins to help improve accessibility with minimal effort, how you can use what's built into HTML to create more accessible and robust interfaces, and some advanced techniques for creating really polished, accessible experiences.
You'll also see as we go that a great deal of this work will help you create interfaces which are more delightful and easy to use for really everyone. In fact, I think a lot of developers have only a pretty hazy understanding of what accessibility means. Something to do with government contracts and checklists and screen readers. And there are plenty of misconceptions floating around. Like, a lot of developers feel that addressing accessibility is going to force them to choose between creating a delightful and attractive experience and ticking a box saying that their site is accessible. So what do we mean by accessibility, and really, what are we here to learn about?
Well, broadly speaking, when we say a site should be accessible, we're saying that the site's content should be available to everyone and its functionality can be operated by anyone. Literally, that everyone should be able to access it. When it comes to developing sites which are accessible by everyone, though, we need to be a bit more specific.
As developers, it's easy to fall into the trap of assuming that all users can see and use a pointer interface like a mouse or a touchscreen and experience your application the same way that you do. And this can lead to creating an experience which might work well for a narrow range of people, but creates issues for anyone outside of that range.
Accessibility, in that case, refers to the experience of users who might be outside of that narrow range, and who might access or experience things differently to the way the person we picture as a typical user would. Specifically, it concerns users who are experiencing some type of impairment or disability. And I say experiencing there because it makes absolutely no difference whether that impairment is situational, temporary, or permanent.
So with that in mind, let's explore what happens when we actually do take an inaccessible site and make it more accessible.